Your website journey. How are you maximizing every single one of your website viewers that go to your website so you can make sure that you have return on investment from the perspective of someone going to your website? Just like these guys here with the original Houston, Texas team, they had over 26 phone calls, 37 form submissions, and 4 clicks to email from their website because of their customer journey. At the end of the day, you need to think about what does it look like when someone goes to your site from the perspective of a video walkthrough tour. When someone comes to your website, how are you navigating them around your website? If you go to liftoffagent.com, we have a video walkthrough tour. How can people navigate the buying process? So when someone goes to your buy page, how are they navigating that process? So that way they can be able to be navigated through that process. Do you have forms for them to fill out? Do you have guides for them to go through? Search opportunities for them to search. And stay to the end of the video because I want to make sure that you have a guide that you can download to help you maximize your website journey today. So also on the sales side, what are you doing with that? So what do you have to be able to drive the conversation before you have the conversation? Because what happens right now is the top 10% of real estate professionals, it is about 90% of the business across the country, are focusing on customer journeys. And this is going to be one of 7 videos that you can watch to help you be able to focus on and have more success with the customer journey. Here's your sales side. So what are you doing as far as next steps where individuals can actually fill out a form and you can ask them questions to quantify where they're at to see if they're 3, 6, 12 months out, what's going to be their specific budget, where are they at in regards to first name, last name, contact information, do they have a preferred lender? Then you want to have a guide that they can download so they can be able to learn about your said specific area. These guys here, the original Houston, Texas guys, they have a YouTube channel where on their YouTube channel, they actually go and show a QR code. So basically they can take individuals to their website, and with the QR code, they also throw up a map, and the map that they throw up on the screen gives them the opportunity to be able to search for different areas that they may want to explore outside of just YouTube. So here's going to be the map where I can click on Houston. It highlights, it takes me into Houston. I can watch this video. I can see what we're talking about on Google Maps. I can look at featured videos, top schools, featured listings. I can go down here and search for homes. I can look at those top rated schools. I can download that guide. The guide's going to give me additional opportunities to look at other specific areas I may want to move to outside of Houston. It can be the same thing for your specific area. Then you're going to have, say, eat, drink, and be merry. No, but this is going to be an automatic feed of Yelp.com giving good information. Take next steps, text or call. You can also have the customer journey go through the process of them automatically setting up a conversation with you through, say, Zoom. Now, if I go back to the YouTube channel and I go back to the playlist, if you're utilizing YouTube for this example and you have playlists, you're not going to get always people going through your playlist to watch the videos that are going to be applicable in your specific area. But what you will get is you will get individuals that are going to be more interested going through the process of going through your website and looking at the map and being able to explore the various different areas that they may want to move to. So what are you doing currently right now to maximize a customer journey on your website so you can have more success with this process? So then that way you can have less opportunity slipping between the cracks, because at the end of the day, you want to have that opportunity to be able to think about what you want the actual viewer of your website to do when they go there. Your website is not just a digital business card. It's not just something that your broker provides you with your tech and desk fee. It's going to be a content-rich location where you can be able to have more success with the process of being able to go through the buying process, the selling process, relocation process, and even have your past client resources where on your website you can have resources like they have a learning center where you can have your past clients being able to download and even future clients can download the vendors list that you specifically have to add value to said individual who would potentially want to work with maybe someone that you have within your vendors list. So this is going to be a learn section. So they have map tours, they have featured hot deals, they have video blogs, they have new home average pricing. And so this is going to be guides and take next steps. This is going to be their learning center. So I want you to think about and deep dive after watching this video onto your current website and find out What does your website look like? And is it something that you would want to navigate on? And maybe talk to your friends or family about this. And then from there, do you have the video walkthrough tour? What do you have on the buy side? What do you have on the sell side? What do you have on the area move to side? And are you leveraging your website to be able to be a hub to add more value to your future, present, and past clients? So that way your site doesn't just need to be a digital business card. It can actually be a hub and a location for individuals to be able to use, to be able to get more information about working with you. And that's the point of the website. And what we want to do for you is we want to give you a guide that's going to help you with this process. So there's the 10 game-changing tools for your real estate website. And I'm going to give you that first and foremost. So underneath basically guides, it's going to be the 10 game-changing guides here, 10 game-changing tools for your real estate website. Also, I'm going to give you this link down below. There's a video here you can watch, which is going to be like your manual for your website to help you maximize that. And this is going to give you 15% off if you set up a strategy session with us. You also can see what individuals, like our other clients, are currently doing, their success story and their testimonial with us. And then that 10 game-changing tool guide will be on that link down below to make this super simple for you. Because at the end of the day, we want you to have more success with this process. And by the time this video goes live, we also are going to have our ultimate client journey guide that's going to give you 7 different ways to be able to maximize your past, present, and future clients. And this is just one journey of multiple journeys that we're going to be walking you through. So if you want 26 phone calls from your website, 37 form submissions, and you want 4 click to emails from your website, and you're not getting that currently right now, then let's make this happen for you. And I want to make it even easier for you. Instead of clicking a link or anything like that, just down below, I want you to comment the word website, and we will send you directly to this specific page where you have all this information. You can watch the next video and you can download the guide today. So God bless, take care, massive success, best of luck, focusing on your customer journey from the website perspective. So your website customer journey. And of course, if you need help with this process and you just want to be hands off and you want to delegate, Liftoff agent can help you with the process. There's a link down below for a no obligation strategy call. We'll be able to be of service. Take care. God bless. Good luck. And we'll see you in the next one.